My spiritual emergency is to bring back bliss, making people to understand the bliss that is latent within us, which is not dependent on sex, money, food. If I'm going to tell you, forget about pleasure principle, nobody is going to listen to it. Okay, it will be just an artificial fake solution. I'll give you an example. Many years ago, a woman came to me with a book on relationship. She said, I want you to read the book and give me some comments, and then if possible, you can just endorse it. I said, I don't have time to read that book, but if you can tell me briefly what is in this book, what is your hypothesis? She said, relationship will not work at all. I myself divorced recently, and I had a terrible relationship, okay? So what's the solution you have given in that book? She said, you can have only relationship with God, and that is what is going to work. Oh, I see. Then I asked her a question. Be honest with me. Do you want a relationship now? She said, yes. She was very honest. Then why did you write a book which you yourself can't relate to or believe in? That is the situation now. Pleasure principle. What is relationship? Safety, security, being in companionship with someone. And if you want to be more upfront and gross, sex, is behind that. So that is again a sense satisfaction. So everybody is geared to personal profiteering on the level of the body, mind, and then you need money for all this. So that's where the problem is. So the only solution, at least in my opinion, because I have thought over it a lot, is only if we live by the Spirit, not by the flesh. This is a spiritual solution. The flesh is being referred to in the Bible a lot. That doesn't mean I am recommending everybody to become a Christian no. A Christian should be a Christian, a Jew should be a Jew, a Muslim should be a Muslim, a Hindu should be a Hindu, and a Buddhist should be a Buddhist. So this is my key opinion. You cannot change because that is in your blood. That is unconscious orientation. Just like a Republican is born a Republican, which is a capitalist. A Democrat is born a Democrat, and then nothing will make sense. We think that we are thinking through everything. We don't think through anything at all. We have an unconscious guiding us. So we begin to support a particular ideology based not on our thinking process, not you are a Socrates, but you are just a prey to your unconscious irrational motive. That is guiding you. That is the truth. And one of the biggest irrational force is personal profiteering. So I'm not going to say to people, so just become a renunciate, don't worry about your money, don't worry about your personal profiteering, just only focus on God. Even in that domain, my view of God is not poor. Who said God is poor? But the religion has created a poor God. But that is again a fake thing too. Okay, the people who are evangelists are filthy rich. What can you do? The gurus are filthy rich too. And then any religious leader becomes very rich, although they teach about renunciation. So we should not teach about renunciation. My orientation has been, those of you who have been following me now, 200% life. You have to fulfill your personal pleasure-seeking mode. But at the same time, what is even more interesting is not just pleasure, but bliss. And the bliss is something that is very natural to the spirit. So my spiritual emergency is to bring back bliss, making people to understand the bliss that is latent within us, which is not dependent on sex, money, food. It is not dependent on your ego satisfaction, but it is on the annihilation of your ego and getting beyond your money, food, and sex, and understand without any of these things you can experience bliss. And how many people can do it? Very few. But then it is doable. At least we have to try this and then find out. And there is a chance that is given to us now by nature, or God, if you want to call it God. Everything has fallen apart. The economy globally has fallen apart. We cannot get along with the other countries. So what we can do, conceptually, is that bring back religion in a modified way